In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide an app feedback within the Center of Excellence Starter Kit. Now, in the Center of Excellence Starter Kit, when you install the core components, you need to navigate into the solution of the core components. And under app, you will find a lot of app with regards to core component. The one which we are interested over here is the app catalog. So when you click over here and trigger this model driven app, this page will get opened. Okay. Now within this app catalog, uh, you will see all the apps which have been marked to display under the app catalog. So I have quite a few number of apps which is displayed over here. Now I can go into any app. So take for example, if I'm going in this app, say Girish model driven app. Okay, if I click on learn more, I will be navigated to the screen, and then from here I can see the app details, the connection info, and the ratings and review. Now from where did this rating came? Okay, now here there's a button called as leave review. Now as a user, you can leave a review for the app. Now let's click on leave review and type in some information. Okay, so if I let me give say 5 star for this. Okay, I can give 1 star, I can give 5 star, or 2 3 4 stars. Okay, now let me provide a review. The review can be related to the app functionality or the behavior of the app. So let me write down, this app has solved numerous business problems for me in a quick amount of time. So maybe this is just one sort of a review, and I'll click on submit. Now once you submit this information, you will see this like your review has been submitted and will show up in the app catalog shortly, which it has already been displayed over here. So it's quite instant. Whatever review you put under that app, this review will be displayed in this particular app section. Now, similarly, you can go to other app and see how many people have put the ratings and reviews for a specific app. Okay. Now, where does this rating and review go into the from a backend perspective? Okay. Now, for that, what you need to do is like you need to go into the Power Platform admin view. Okay. Now, admin view is also one of the app under the core components. So if you go into Power Platform admin view under the core components app, then you will be taken to this page. And within here, say, let me go into say Power Apps, and let me open one of the app. Okay. Let me scroll down a bit and say, let me get this Girish 02 April 2023. So this is one of the Power Apps app. And here under app feedback, you will be able to see all the apps feedback and the rating, and it will also show you who has provided that rating. Now in this case, I'm the only person who has provided the rating, so it's listing my name. Now another way to provide a feedback is like you can even go from here and you can click on new app catalog feedback, which I would highly recommend not to do, because usually the feedback should come from a front end app, and the front end app should display the relevant feedback for a specific app. Okay, so that's it, folks. This is all about navigating to the app catalog, viewing the app, and then if you have any feedback about the app, you can provide that feedback by clicking on leave review, and an admin can also view this information in the backend using Power Platform admin view model driven app. Now quite possible, if an admin does not like any comment, or if that comment needs some moderation, then admin can go ahead and maybe delete this comment. Okay, so they can even do that. Okay, now you need to go inside this app catalog feedback record. Okay, like if I click on edit over here, then I can, if I don't like this comment, or if this comment contains some derogatory remarks, or maybe if it's not following organizational guidelines, I can straight away go ahead and delete this comment. Okay, so I've just removed that comment, and rest all comment still stays in the app. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.